Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today I'm here to talk to you about an exciting new product we're launching, which is a side molding kit for the 2005 to 2010 Honda Odyssey. Precision part number is WSKF2501. Now these have been made to direct OEM replacements and have been field tested for proper fitment. These will complement our current offerings for this application, which are the PCK 250105, the CFK 250105, and the WFTF 2501. Remember to order WSKF 2501 from your favorite auto glass distributor.